How long does it take to repair an HVAC system? This is a common question homeowners ask in Pflugerville, Texas, and nearby areas like Round Rock and Austin when their heating or cooling suddenly stops working. The timeline really depends on the type of problem. Minor issues like thermostat problems, clogged drain lines, or capacitor replacements can often be fixed within a few hours. More involved repairs, like a blower motor replacement or refrigerant issues, may take half a day to a full day. Bigger repairs, such as a compressor replacement or major system work, can take several days, especially if parts need to be ordered or ductwork is involved. In Central Texas, HVAC systems work hard for long stretches, especially during the summer. Because of that, small issues can turn into bigger problems quickly, so catching them early can lead to faster and easier repairs. If your HVAC system isn't working properly, contact Altruistic AC Heating and Plumbing today to schedule a professional inspection and get your system back up and running as quickly as possible.